Today, I want to share with you how you can attract more clients with just your content, what you post on social media. I'll teach you how I got 70 leads on one video. All these people are saying yes, asking for my offer in the comments. So if you're interested in getting more clients on Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, then keep watching. My name is Peter Feza. I'm the trainer of coaches since 2005. So no matter if you're at stage 1 and you have like 0 clients, or if you're at stage 10 and you have a load of clients, this will definitely help you. And I'm gonna show you how to do this in 4 easy steps.
Yes! Yes!
Step number 1 is define. So what exactly is this video going to be about that flips the switch to their buying mindset and gets them to crave what you have to offer? So the kind of problem that you focus on is so essential, and this is where most people go wrong, and it gets them 0 sales. So this is what you do. You solve their, what I call their critical pain, the thing that they will pay anything to solve. So what's their critical pain? This is what I call the pain pyramid. So out of all the pain that your client experiences at any one time that has to do with their finances, their health, their relationships, whatever, what's the top most urgent need that your client has? So here's an example. If I'm a plumber and you're a homeowner, what is your critical pain? A leaky faucet or a flooded basement? A flooded basement, right? So if you're a homeowner and you have a leaky faucet, it may be annoying, but you're not going to pay a lot of money to fix it. If you have a flooded basement and you're a homeowner, you will pay anything that you have to pay in order to fix it, right? So here's an example. My dream clients are coaches, and the top 4 pains that a coach may have could be branding. They want to increase their brand presence online. Number 2 could be, getting clients and cash. Number 3 could be, speaking on stage and having seminars and workshops. Number 4 could be getting massive attention online. But out of all of these examples, which one do you think is my dream client's critical pain? Clients and cash, right? Of course you need branding, you need a massive attention online, you want to speak on stage, all that stuff, but man, you need cash, right? And so I train my coaches how to do all of those things, but the first thing that we do is we get them more clients than they literally know what to do with. Then you can focus on the other stuff. So when it comes to my marketing or creating videos online, I focus on getting clients and cash. That's what flips the switch to their buying mindset. Does that make sense? So once you've defined what your dream client's critical pain is, it's time to go to step number 2. So step number 2 is create. So ask yourself a question. What piece of content can I create that will solve this one key problem? Taking them one step closer from their critical pain to what I call their dream come true outcome, the thing they desire the most. So if it takes 7 steps to get them there, pick the number 1 step that you think is the most valuable and put that in your video. You give them your very best info for free. So Russell Brunson, the CEO of ClickFunnels, great guy, he says it like this: give them your very best thing for free, and then you sell them the second best thing. So this flips the switch to their buying mindset, and it gets them to absolutely crave what I have to offer. So the godfather of marketing, Frank Kern, says that when you do this, you create instant authority in the eyes of your dream client. Why? Because you've demonstrated that you can help them by actually helping them first. So it's at this point that they trust you, that you trust that you can solve their problem, and they'll in turn pay you. You give them the first few steps for free, and then you sell them the rest. Step number 3, invite. You invite them to your special offer. Now here's the deal. This is like the hardest thing for people to do online, and admittedly is like the hardest thing for me to do for the longest time. I've kind of felt weird doing it, is because people need direction. Like you need to tell people exactly what you want them to do. And without that, they don't have the direction and they won't do it. And then you'll be left thinking, okay, like, why are they not like asking me for my offer or accepting my offer? It's most of the times because we didn't tell them what to do. I go over this completely in my free Influencer Profit System training, a totally complete training for coaches who want to build a coaching movement and get clients at the same time. There's a link to the free training in the description or the comments below. See? Exactly like that. I'm telling you what you can do to get my offer. So what I did to get my 70 leads was this. So at the end of the video, you solve their one problem. You give them a simple command to follow. Hey, if you thought this was valuable, this is nothing. I have 5 more steps that will help you lose weight, gain confidence, pay off your debt, whatever. Say yes in the comments below and I'll send you my free training, my free PDF, my free, consultation or strategy call. If you want to learn how to fill up your schedule with paid clients and sell your products and services, type yes in the comments below and I'll send you a free training immediately. Type yes. And then for those of them who said yes, you DM them, you message them. Now, I can't say this enough. I promise this is just one of the most, this is gold for coaches, consultants, and it's this. The money is in the messages. I repeat, the money is in the messages. You start a conversation between 2 humans, right? You nurture your future dream client.
Client getting secret.
So instead of sending a text, which takes forever, right? It takes longer anyway. What you do is you send an audio recording or you send a video of yourself, and it's more personable. People see you as a human. They trust you. I read a book called Rehumanize Your Business, and it's a whole book on sending video and audio recordings. But the bottom line is that it increases your sales capacity. It increases engagement and response rates. And the reason why is because it shows that we're freaking human. So start a conversation, invite them to a call or whatever your free offer is, and don't overcomplicate it. Like literally, it's that simple. So now you're ready for the final step. Here's the deal. You could do the first few steps perfectly. They're perfect. You could put the perfect things in your video and it doesn't matter. Why? Because if they're not actually going to stop scrolling and watch your video, then everything is lost. So what you need is a way for you to grab them by the throat, right? You pull them in like a magnet so they actually watch your video. They have the curiosity to go, what is this person actually saying? So I'm going to show you how you can create instant curiosity where they will want to watch your video. You ready?
Yes!
Step number 4, watch. So after testing with millions of people online with hundreds of videos, I can honestly tell you that I've made all the mistakes, I've made successes, that it actually comes down to just a few things that you can add to your video, and I call them curiosity hook amplifiers. So I'm going to show you just one right now. If you want the rest, there's a total of 7. I have a free download in the description of the comments below, Curiosity Hook Amplifiers checklist that you can add to your videos to get way more attention online. So Curiosity Hook Amplifier number 3, use a prop. So what do you mean like a prop? Okay, so look at this video. In this video, I am holding a fish. Right? So I'm using a prop within the first few seconds and people are like, what the F? Right? And out of anything, they're just curiosity and they watch and they stay like, what's this person holding a fish for? If it's directly related to the video that you're creating, it is a powerful way to drive people in and watch your stuff. So when you use something visual, it is a dramatic pull power to your video. So in summary, step number 1, define their critical pain. So step 2, create one thing, your best thing to solve that problem. Step 3, invite them, give them direction to say a simple command like yes, so they can get your offer. And finally, step 4, use a curiosity hook amplifier to pull them into your video.
Yes! Yes!
Now remember, there's somebody's life out there who is absolutely desperate for what you teach and what you have to offer, your gift. It is vital that you learn these skills and start using them immediately, okay? My name is Peter Feza, and remember, spread your message, change the world. I'll see you next time.